Did you know that Amazon ships over 1.6 million packages every single day? They're valued at just over $1 trillion, yet they still make mistakes and Amazon owes you money. And in today's video, I want to give you guys a step-by-step process on how to request reimbursements so that you can put more money in your pocket that Amazon owes you. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a full-time seven-figure Amazon seller. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down Amazon reimbursements. I'm going to show you guys the exact strategy that I just implemented. It just took me 15 minutes where I got over $1,000 back from Amazon. And Amazon owes you money. Might sound weird, might sound strange. Like I just mentioned, they ship 1.6 million shipments every single day. And what happens is they have issues, they have problems, they make mistakes. And those mistakes end up costing you money if you don't do anything about it. So in today's video, I want to show you, number one, what is Amazon reimbursements? Why would Amazon owe me money? Number two, how do you find the problems that Amazon actually makes? And then number three, how do you actually request the reimbursement back to your account so it puts more money in your pocket? If you guys learned something, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, drop a comment. Your support means the world. And let's come over here and let's talk about 5 issues that can happen inside your business where Amazon will owe you money. So number one is lost inventory. So if they lose inventory, that's their fault. They could owe you money. There's damaged inventory, warehouses, they have issues, damaged products, they could owe you money. Returned inventory, so many customers, and this is what's crazy, and this is the main one that got me. I got over $1,000, and what happens is customers don't actually return products that are rightfully yours. They request a refund, they get the refund, and then they never return it. And sometimes Amazon doesn't calculate that, and Amazon owes you that money because they never return the product. Then there's destroyed and disposed, and then there's overcharges and Amazon fees. So the list goes on, and I'm going to show you guys the exact process of how to recoup funds that Amazon owes you. So now the golden question is, how do we find the problems and mistakes that Amazon makes? And what we're going to do is we're going to link our seller account to a software tool called Seller Board. And what this will do is it automates the process. They go in, pull all of the reports, do the auditing for you, find the discrepancies, find the errors, and they generate a report for you. And all you need to do is create the case. So I'll show you guys exactly how to do it step by step. So let's come over here inside my screen. You'll want to sign up, obviously, for Seller Board. I have a 2-month free trial that you guys can click down below. You'll connect your account. Once you're signed in, you'll come to the money back tab. So right here, money back, there's lost and damaged, there's returns. We'll start with the lost and damaged. And basically all you're going to do is download the report. So you hit download, it opens it up into an Excel file. From there, you're going to click on it, open it up, and you'll see that there's a list of just issues and problems Amazon has basically made. And this is what you are going to want to go in and basically report and tell Amazon, hey, you owe me money, give me my money, and they'll give you a reimbursement. So right here, you'll break it up into your different SKUs, so your different products. And what I recommend doing is the first day you'll do all of just one SKU, and then the next day you'll do the next SKU, the next day you'll do the next, just to kind of break it up to kind of maximize your refunds that Amazon owes you. So the first thing that you'll do is you'll copy the template that Seller Board gives you. So if we come back to Seller Board, they have a template, and you can copy this. And then what you'll do is you'll go to your Amazon account. Top right hand corner, you'll hit the help button, and then you'll scroll down where it says need more help, and you'll hit get support. From there, you'll hit selling on Amazon, and then you'll describe your issue, and this is where you can paste the template. And then what you want to do before you continue is you want to fill out the ASIN and then the dates and transaction IDs. So if we come back to the Excel sheet, we get the ASIN right here. We come back to Amazon, we plug that in, and then we got to go get the date and transaction IDs. So we'll come back and we'll copy this right here. Again, simple copy paste. Then we paste it right here. Boom, we got those in, and then I hit continue, and then it says confirm the issue, and we are going after the damaged inventory. I'm going to click this, then I'm going to hit continue, then I'm going to submit the case, and within 12 hours, Amazon will give you a response of what they found, and they'll give you a reimbursement on the discrepancies and the errors and the mistakes that they made that they don't have accounted for. So it's really easy. That's how you're going to do the lost and damaged. And then the next one that you're going to do is the returns. This is where I found just a ton of money. Basically what happens is customers buy your product, they go to return it, Amazon gives them the reimbursement, and then they never actually return the product, so you don't get the product to your house, and you're like, well, what am I doing? Or to your warehouse or whatever, and they just basically kept it, and they should be charged. If they didn't return it, they should be charged for it. So there's a lot of errors that happen with that. And so what you're going to do is the same exact thing. You'll hit download report. Again, it will open up into an Excel sheet. I'll hit save, and then from there you can open it up, and the thing that you're going to focus on is what's in red. So you'll have some other ones that are pending, and so you'll want to come back and obviously do those. But right here, the order ID, you'll copy this, then you'll go to Amazon, just just like I showed you, top right hand corner, you'll go to get more support right here. Selling on Amazon, describe the issue, and then what you'll do is you'll type in reimbursement returns, you'll hit enter, paste all of the order IDs, hit continue, and then right here it says FBA returns reimbursements, you'll select that, you'll hit continue, submit the case, and within 12 hours, Amazon will give you a detailed report of what they found, what items qualify, what don't, and then they'll basically reimburse you all of that money, and that just puts more cash into your account, into your pocket, increases your bottom line so you can go invest in more products, more launches, more PPC, growing your business. So don't let Amazon take money that's yours. Use this tool. Again, it's super easy. You guys can sign up, link your account. You'll go in, download the reports, and then the same thing with the FBA fees and changes. Again, you'll follow the steps. It literally breaks it down. You'll download this report, you'll contact seller support, and again, this one has a template as well. So you'll just copy it, paste into the case log, submit it, and just like that, you're going to get money back into your pocket. That is your money. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys go in and implement this. It is one of the easiest ways to put more money in your pocket. If you're not doing this, I highly recommend doing it. It's super easy. Like I mentioned, 15 bucks to go get 1,000. I do that all day long. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. If you guys want to see any future videos, let me know what you want to see. And if you guys are an Amazon seller that is stuck, or if you guys are a new Amazon seller and you guys want to learn the entire process A to Z, we have an amazing mentorship program. You guys can click the link down below. You guys can schedule a free one-on-one consultation call. We'll go over how we can help you for a great fit. You'll come into the community and we'll be able to coach you through the entire process. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.